Hello and welcome. Chili Cube here. I'm in Queensland in Australia and I'm gonna just go rogue today. I'm going rogue, so I'll quickly skip through the boring bits. This is just my same acrylic paint as the rest of the colours that are mixed. Probably need to add a bit of water to that. It's a little bit thick, but it will give me a sort of nice base for the other colours to slide over. So I'm using lots of metallics today. Let's get on with this. So I am going to do some metallics. Nearly everything that I've got here has got a squeeze of metallics in it. Even this was white with a bit of, oh my goodness, gold. Metallic gold. So I'm literally going to, I think, start. I'm going to kind of do the wavy thing, but in metallic colour, so hopefully it will pop the socks off. And then we go a darker one here. So this is burnt umber with metallic silver added in it. So because it's got lots of metallics, it's going to have some really lovely sparkle, I'm hoping. So definitely a weird wave when it's in these colours, hey, but you know, you have to try it all. Now I'm going for the metallic gold. Oh, feeling really like caramel sundae now, these colours. Beautiful, really beautiful. I know when I'm blowing out the wave, I always get that crest bit wonky, and then have to scrape it off and redo it, and that's absolutely fine, whatever works for you. This is my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% silver. Love, love, love this colour. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy metallics. We're going rogue, going rogue. Rightio. I think that I was going to add a blue in there, and I don't think I will, but I have this green, I can't even remember what it was called, palm green. So I might add a bit of this and just hope that it doesn't throw the colours into complete chaos, but you know, that's alright. Try and keep it around edges. Oh, those colours gonna look cool together, I believe. Rightio. That's it. That's it. We're going for gold. Might need to just squirt a bit of my white. We've probably got way enough paints on there, hey? Way enough. But I'm going to put some up here so I can blow that off the edges. So we'll go for it. Remember, if you start out with a piece in mind and it completely goes AWOL and turns into something else, that's completely fine. Just go with the artistic process. Probably needed to keep it down here a bit, so I've given a little bit more. The colours are so fantabulous, they really are. Even the crest is not too bad. I just wish that I'd not, I don't know whether to, you know what, close your eyes, I'm gonna take a bit of this off. I really am. Oh my goodness. Bear with me, we'll fix it, we'll fix it, we'll fix it. We will, we will, we will. Just take your time. Bear with me. Let's give this a go. Let's try and pretty good. See, it didn't work too bad taking that paint off. Let's blow it. Using your fingers is definitely allowed. I'm just softening the edges to make it look more puffied up. Woohoo! Woohoo! Did I tell you that it's absolutely stinking hot here today? But I have air conditioning, but it's struggling at the minute. I don't mind if I put some of the sort of caramelly through that too to soften up the white a bit. So that's absolutely fine. Just left a bit too much white in the centre there. It may crack if I leave it very thick like that. But I wanted to have the white to blow around and work with. Now I've gone and muddied it up. We'll fix it up, no stress. I might get that bit off. Holy dooly, what am I doing here now? Jeez Louise. Use my little scraper to get that out. Just keep working it until you're happy with it. No rush. Just work it. playing with it, the more I feel that I'm squidging the composition that I was happy with. Let's see if I bring some more painting from here. Doesn't matter if it's not all the white, I can blend it in to look like a different coloured background. Just keep playing with it till you're happy with it. I love this green in there. This green with these colours is super duper. Good. Well, it's kind of, oh, I'm getting a lot of reflection. The colours are superb, love them. So I'm definitely going to do something else with the colours. I love the movement in it, I do. I'm just fiddled with it, I think a little bit too much in, but you know, if I push it on and carry on now, I'm just going to completely stuff it up, I think, because my head is taking over now. So I'm going to see, I'm just going to let it dry and see how it turns out. I really don't want to push it any further, so I will let this one dry and we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it doesn't crack where the paint is quite thick. I might just do a little bit of finger dabbling in it to little areas, but I'm quite happy with it. I absolutely love the colours. I'm just annoyed to think that I'm going to keep fiddling, so I want somebody to come in here and tie my hands behind my back. Okay. All right, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. Please take care, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.
Every song just reminds me of you, and it kills